Alexis here, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm a floral designer, and you can go follow me on Instagram at flowersbyalexis. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Petal Driven. Petal Driven is a flower wholesale company, and what makes them really cool is that you do not have to be a flower shop to buy from them. A lot of flower wholesalers, you need to have a tax code, you need to be a flower shop in order for you to buy flowers from them. But with Petal Driven, you do not need a tax code, you do not have to be a flower shop. They sell flowers to the regular person like me. And that's really awesome because, as you guys know, I just recently moved to Alabama, and it's been kind of challenging for me to find flowers other than at like my local grocery store or just like random farms that I find. But if I'm looking for something specific, it's kind of challenging for me to get it. So I'm really excited to be working with Petal Driven because they deliver the flowers directly to your door, which is amazing. In my other videos, I talk about having to wake up super early to get to the flower markets, and pretty much with this, you do not need to wake up. All you have to do is sit in your PJs and wait for the flowers to be delivered to you. I'm going to be unboxing their flowers, making an arrangement, showing you guys what I can do with them, and yeah. So without further ado, let's get into this video, guys.
They're here, guys.
Right. Let's see, they like packed the crap out of this thing. Probably good because I believe all the flowers that I ordered today, they were coming from like Norway or something. So yeah, they like really packed these guys. Ooh. Oh my god, the smell. It smells so good in here. All right, let's see. Ooh. Little tape. Okay. Very cool. Ooh, these are nice. These are in good shape. Okay. These are Scabiosa pods. And I think these are in like really great condition. I like how everything is like neatly wrapped. Let's see. What we got here. We got some leucadendron. Seems like it's in good quality. Ooh, yes, yes. I love eucalyptus. I think it smells amazing. I feel like it really takes the quality of an everyday arrangement and it really just like brings it up like several notches in my opinion. I think it makes everything look way more expensive than it actually is. It is in great condition. Ooh, there's even some seeded euc. Okay, so it looks like a bunch of seeded euc, a bunch of, I think this is baby blue, but I've never seen it with red tips before. Some more baby blue. Parvifolia. Yeah, we got it all, guys. But not least, oh my god, you guys, these are called Cosmos. These are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. They're a little dehydrated, but I mean, they were in a box shipped to me like on Monday. So let's see, we placed the flower order on Monday. I got the flowers Wednesday, so they were sitting without water for 2 days. So they are a little dehydrated. Yeah, so that's the first box of flowers that we just unboxed here. I'm gonna take some time to just put these guys in water so they're not continuing to sit outside of water. So I'm gonna just take a moment to do that. Something I recommend you do is actually saving your flower boxes and using them as trash cans. Now for me, I did put down like a tarp on my carpet because I don't want there to be like petals and flower debris everywhere. But yeah, if you want to like little neat tip 101 on how to keep your little flower studio clean, I recommend putting these flat boxes underneath your table so that way when the debris does fall, it'll land in the boxes and making it a super easy cleanup process. Now I got like these white buckets from the dollar store. They're supposed to be trash cans, but I'm gonna use them as flower buckets. These things are freaking tall, look at them. Alrighty guys, so that was the first box of flowers that we just unboxed and processed. Now I'm gonna open up the second box that they sent me and we're just gonna take a look, see what we got, and do the same thing again. Ugh. Round 2. This guy's a little heavy. This guy's got some weight to it. Let's see. What is in this box? Oh my god. These are roses, guys. Yay! This is what I was hoping for. Let's unravel these guys. Ooh, these are pretty. Oh, these are beautiful. Okay. Again, they're a little dehydrated, but I mean, they also were 2 days without water. That's what they look like. All right, some spray roses. These are nice. Okay, and they're nice and bloomed open. I hate when you get spray roses and they're like little bullet balls. Like, no, like I need like full, luscious blooms, and I really feel like these are it. Look at how nice these are. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm hype. I'm really hype. Like, I'm gonna make some really nice arrangements out of these. So many flowers. Oh, yes. If you know me, I'm a huge carnation fan. I think carnations are such an underrated flower. I feel like they're absolutely gorgeous. They come in so many different colors and varieties. Sometimes they're two-tone, sometimes they're like really cool and like firework looking, like, and these open so you guys can see. These are beautiful. How nice these are. I'm gonna have a ball today. I'm gonna have a ball. Just know. I love sunset flowers. Like, I love like a good sunset colored palette. I think these are absolutely beautiful. I've ordered flowers from a lot of different places throughout my day, and I will say that these definitely are some of the better flowers that I have seen being shipped to me. I'm super happy with the quality. I feel like these look really good. So I'm gonna just process the rest of these flowers, get them into some water, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. Honestly, these white roses smell the best out of everything that we've gotten today. I feel like, yeah, these just smell so good. All right, guys, so now that we have unboxed and processed all our flowers, I'm just gonna let them sit for about an hour so that way they can just soak up some water. I'm gonna go eat some lunch because I'm starving. And yeah, catch you guys in an hour. Hey everybody, I'm back. So we're back from our little brief hour intermission. I went and got something to eat because I was super hungry. And while I was waiting, the flowers really did open up very nicely. Ended up rehydrating really beautifully, and overall, I really am impressed with the flower quality that was sent to me. I feel like if I had waited maybe another day for the flowers to hydrate, they would be even more beautiful than they already are. I'm telling you to buy from them, and not just because they're sponsoring this video, but because I actually feel like these are really good flowers to buy, and I am impressed. I bought flowers from all different types of wholesalers, and I will say I'm very, very impressed with how well these held up just through transportation, just to getting to me, and then even a few hours after they've been hydrating, like, they still look really beautiful and full and lush. With the flowers that Petal Driven has sent me, I'm going to be making some centerpieces to show you guys like just what I can do. These centerpieces are good for like weddings, events, and really anything in between.
In next week's video, using the flowers that Petal Driven has sent me, I'm going to be making a centerpiece. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so that way you get notified when I upload that video.